A breast pump is a mechanical device for mothers to extract milk from their breast. It can be a manual device used by hands or an automated device powered by electricity. To help new moms use a pump more easily, here is a step-by-step tutorial that will guide you through the process. The first step is to disassemble all the parts of the device. Clean them properly to get rid of toxic chemicals. Make sure that you clean the breast pump both before and after using it. After washing, lightly boil or microwave the pump to sanitize it. Make sure you are in a comfortable place before using the pump. Keep your hands clean to avoid germs. Now begin to assemble the dry parts. Join the pump body to the topmost part. Place the flange at the center of your nipple and press it lightly against your breast. Keep a distance between your nipple and the wall of the flange. Adjust it carefully so that you do not pinch yourself. Start with fast strokes to stimulate milk flow, also called the stimulation phase. When the milk starts to flow, switch to deep, slow strokes to extract milk, also called expression phase. When you are finished, store the milk safely in your refrigerator.